If you start doing that, I am telling you, I can guarantee 100%. You will improve a lot in just 6 months. Do just three things, right? This is a 3-step formula. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you, ma'am? What about you?
I am also doing great. Your name is Naushad.
Naushad Ali, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, Naushad, please tell me about yourself.
My name is Naushad Ali, ma'am. My education is 10 plus 2, and technical education is civil draftman. I am a study civil draftman in Delhi, and rabbit architecture. I was a study from Mumbai.
Now you are working?
No, I was working before abroad, ma'am. Maybe before Qatar, and just I come from Saudi to home now.
So you were working in Qatar. Where are you living right
now? Bihar.
Okay, now you are living in Bihar.
Yeah, now I am living Bihar.
So you came from Saudi to Qatar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now Saudi to now I came from Bihar. Yeah.
So, where is your family?
My family is still here.
So you are married?
Yeah, already married, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
2 children, ma'am.
Okay. So when you were working in Qatar, was your family with you?
Not my family with you. Only alone. I working there.
Alone. You were living there alone. Your family was not with you, right?
No. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So for how many years did you work in Qatar?
3 years, ma'am. 3 years. So, 2014 to 17.
Okay. So were you married at that time?
No, not married.
Okay. So after that, you settled in Bihar. So what are you doing?
Yeah. Until not any work from here. I try to always speaking English and how to learn, because so many problem is abroad there, talk to and work also.
Okay, so
that's why
to Bihar, you were just trying to improve your English because you faced a lot of problem in Qatar.
Yeah.
So since 2017, you have not been working.
No. After that, I will working Saudi. Then after come back in Bihar.
Okay, after Qatar, you went to Saudi.
Yeah. I went to Saudi. Then came back Bihar.
Okay, when did you come back to Bihar?
Ma'am, before 2 months. 2 months.
Okay, 2 months back, you came from Saudi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Came from Saudi. Yeah.
Were your wife and children with you in Saudi Arabia?
Not a wife and children here with me.
So for how many years did you work in Saudi?
Only 10 months.
Okay. So for 10 months you lived without your wife and children?
Yeah.
So were your children angry with you?
Not angry, but happy. If it is, I will not work, and how can get money, and then how to happy with my family. If it is, that's why I will go abroad, and any India, maybe any state I work there. That's why for giving for money.
So you mean to say you had to go there because of money? If you don't earn money, how will you keep your family happy? That is why you had to go there. Otherwise, you would never want to live without your wife and kids, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So how old are your children?
4 years. Younger son, and a small son is maybe 1 year.
So your younger son is 1 year old and older one is 4 years old.
4 years. Yeah.
When you went to Saudi Arabia, your younger one was just 2 months old.
Yeah.
Oh, you left your 2-month-old to go to Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, Saudi Arabia.
So did you miss your children when you were in Saudi?
Sorry, ma'am?
Did you miss your children and wife?
Yeah. Already, of course, I miss.
So what does your father do?
My father is already expired, ma'am. Maybe 1 year's completed. Yeah.
What happened to him?
My father is governmented job before Kolkata.
Okay, he was a government employee.
Government employee.
Okay, how did he die? What happened to him?
Not maybe too too much old because age is
You mean he died
yeah
because of old age?
yeah old age.
Okay. So what does your
Mm.
wife do? Is she a homemaker or she works?
Wife is homemaker.
Do you teach your older one? I mean, 4-year-old.
Yeah, maybe now I will admission. I will make admission now. Maybe January, February. Yeah,
Okay. Till now he
I
is not
will.
going to school. Till now
Yeah,
he is
yeah,
not going to school. You will get him admitted now.
yeah. My wife is study read in home. Yeah,
Your wife is teaching him at home right now.
yeah, yeah. My wife is teaching at home right now.
So why do you want to improve your English?
Ma'am, because my work is actually engineering fields, but I will work there and abroad. So many talking with others person, maybe talking English. I will understood how what are you saying, what are you speaking, but I cannot speak fluently English.
Okay.
That's why problem. That's why I want to learn English.
You want to learn English because when other people speak at your workplace, you just
Yeah,
understand
yeah,
what they are saying, but you are not able to express yourself, right?
yeah, yeah. Yes,
So
yes, ma'am.
you left the job in Saudi.
No, no, I left. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So right now you are not doing any job.
No, 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 no job.
So you will work on your English and then you will do a job, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So will you go to Saudi again or you will work in Bihar after you improve your English?
I will work maybe India, and also I will go again. I will go abroad.
You will go abroad again to work after
Yeah,
you improve your English.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So did your employer ask you to resign because of your poor English?
No, not like this, because work there is work not too much. That's why he will finish it, because work is not new project. That's why I will come back.
Okay.
Otherwise, not.
Okay. The company
Yeah,
didn't have enough projects. That is why you had to resign.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you will join some other company when you become fluent in English.
Maybe um, if it is, I will go abroad, and I will learn English is there, and maybe like this India to Saudi.
And if your job is very good, then you can take your wife and children also with you, no?
Not I will go alone. I will working alone
But
there.
after a few
My
years, you can take them. After a few years, you can take your family along with you.
yeah, yeah.
What all are you doing to improve your English, Noshad?
Before my I watching your conversation also, and listening always, and so many and listening YouTube grammar like this, and conversation, and like this I will and then movie also I will watch English subtitle like this, and like this I will watching, and then I try to improve my English.
You have been watching videos, you have been watching movies. That is good. But are you speaking English every day? That is also important. Only listening
But
will not work.
okay, but how can I speak with how to speak, ma'am? Maybe I want I need to like this join like this, and maybe
See, Noshad,
trainer.
you need some partner to speak English with, right? So
Yeah,
if you don't
yeah,
have
yeah.
a speaking partner, then you can join some app like Ace Fluency, CV, and Open Talk. They provide free audio talk time. So you can talk to co-learners for free. They give you 30 minutes of talk time every day. So you can talk to co-learners every day. If you are listening to content, English content every day, but you are not speaking every day, then it is difficult to improve English. You will have to speak English every day.
But which
I told you Open Talk app, Talk Now app,
which app, ma'am?
Talk Now, Ace Fluency,
As fluent,
Easy app. All these apps provide free audio talk time.
I will try. Ma'am, before I will join English CRE.
Okay.
But yeah, before
Okay. So how many sessions did you take?
only maybe 1 month, maybe for 5 6 session I will join.
You took 5-6 sessions. So were they helpful?
Yeah, helpful, but not
Okay, you found
like,
them very costly, huh?
yeah, costly also.
Okay.
Yeah. But if it is one Mrs. class, he cannot give me another class because they are lost your class. Their
You can do one
class
thing.
is
Yeah, I got it. You
yeah.
can do one thing, that you right now make the audio calls which are available free of cost on so many apps. And after you become a little better at English, then join some paid platform like English ERE or Clapping Go. Then you can take
Yeah,
those classes. Yeah, that will be good for you.
clapping.
English ERE tutors used to give you some activity.
Yeah, he's saying you write and you speak English and watching movie and listening also like this he is
Oh.
telling, and some questions like this, give me question and you read and speak also.
Okay, tell me, were you happy in your Saudi job?
uh, yeah, I'm
Were you
happy
happy?
but not, yeah, happy but not
Okay, you were not
100%.
very happy. You were happy but not
Yeah.
very satisfied.
Yeah.
Okay, so what were the problems in that job that you faced?
Problem face to face, because so many drawings and face to face talk to, maybe how can understand and how can,
You were nervous in face-to-face conversations, right?
yeah, nervous, yeah.
Okay. So, and tell me,
I am
okay. So, did they pay you well? Was the salary good?
yeah
Okay, salary was good. Only the English communication was a problem.
English communication.
So, how did you feel when you came back to your family? How are you feeling now? You are living with your family.
And now I'm feeling good, no problems. But only every time I will thinking is how to speak and how to learn English. Maybe too much tension this one, because
Now you are very
English
happy
is
with your family, but now you are thinking how to improve your English.
have to improve my English, because I try to so many long time. I try to English how to, but I I tried. I also try. I pay money, but how can explain me? How can speak and teach me English?
Okay.
But I cannot understand which one is which class and which trainer and which what I am doing in improve my English.
Okay, you mean to say you have been trying to make your English better. You have been trying to become fluent in English for a long time, and you have tried so
Yeah.
many things. You have taken classes.
Yeah.
Now you don't know which tutor to go to and which classes to attend, how to start, right?
How to?
You have no idea
Yes,
how to start. I will tell you. You do one thing. You read every day for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, do reading. You can read newspaper, magazine, storybook, anything that you want. English content.
Okay.
Read English content for 15-20 minutes every day. Listen to English content for at least 2 hours.
At least 2 hours every day.
Yeah. When you will start
Okay.
working, Abhi, right now you are free, no? Right now you have time.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I am.
yeah, right now you have free time. But when you will pick up your job, when you have less time,
Yeah.
listen to English content for just 1 hour. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
And the most important step is you have to speak English for at least 1 hour every day.
Okay.
That is,
1
if
hour.
you start doing that, I am telling you, I can guarantee 100% that you will be very good. You will improve a lot in just 6 months. In only 6 months, you will improve so much if you start speaking every day. So take subscription
Okay.
of any app. Lots of apps provide free talk time on audio. So you can do audio calls instead of doing face-to-face conversation. You can make audio calls.
Yeah.
So you will not be able
Yeah.
to see their faces, and you can speak every day. If you do that, your English will be 100% better.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. But no need for grammar like this. I will not. I
For
cannot.
spoken English, you don't need much grammar. Don't focus too
But
much on
yes,
grammar.
I
There is
am.
no need to learn too much grammar.
But I know how to sentence. But I know grammar. Basic. I know grammar.
Basic grammar is
Yes.
sufficient. So now don't worry about grammar. Do just three things, right? Reading every day 15-20 minutes,
Yeah,
2 hours listening, and 1 hour speaking. Okay.
1 hour.
Start doing that every single day. This is a 3-step formula. If you just start
Speaking-
focusing on this, speaking every day for
Yeah.
1 hour every day.
Okay, but speaking alone, yeah, how?
No.
And
Speaking to other people.
you tell me about app like this, speaking 1 hour every day. Huh?
You can download Sparky app. It is a robot, right? You
Yeah,
can
ma'am.
talk to the robot
Ma'am,
every day.
Okay, ma'am. I will request you because you send me app names and like this. I will try to.
You will have to spend just 600 for 6 months. That means only 100 rupees in 1 month. Okay.
It's okay, no problem. I will pay, ma'am. No problem.
Yeah. So you have to
But,
spend only 100 rupees in 1 month. That robot can talk to you every day. So you can do as much speaking practice as you want.
If it is, I will speak wrong sentence wrong. If it is, explain me.
Yeah, it will
there-
explain to you and it will correct your grammar mistakes also.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Naushad, it was so lovely talking to you. All the best. You will definitely become fluent if you keep practicing and keep working hard.
But okay, ma'am. But you not your class is not you not study and
No, I don't teach. I only have conversation and I upload it on YouTube. I don't give classes.
okay. You don't give classes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then.
Thank thank you,
did
ma'am.
very well.
Give me-
All the best. Okay.
Because so before so many long time I will listening to your conversation.
Thank you so
Every day
much.
I-
Have you subscribed to
we-
my channel?
Yeah. Already subscribe, and your voice is very clearly. I understood what are you saying, what are you speaking. That's why I will always listening your conversation.
Thank you so much. Okay, Naushad. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.